Hi everyone, glad to be with Tommy here, all the way from Malaysia, 100K funded trader, high stakes trader. We're gonna be talking about his journey with the fivers, his strategy a little bit. We'll get to know him a little bit better, and I hope you will get value out of this conversation with him. So, Tommy, how are you?
Good. I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm very good, very, very good. So tell us, Tommy, a little bit about you.
I'm 25 years old. I'm from Malaysia, and I've been trading for around 2 years.
How did you learn how to trade?
At first, I started to learn from some website and also some YouTube videos, and also like most of the knowledge that I learned, right, is like from the mistake during live trading
Okay, and how do you find out about the fivers?
from other website, and then eventually I found out this is the trusted website for prop firm. And yeah, eventually I signed up for the high stake program.
Correct. Okay, so I see on your, I'll start sharing your dashboard, and you've had a couple of accounts with us. You've been funded in the past with a 60K high stakes account,
Yeah.
and you're currently funded with a 100K account. So I would like
Yes.
to share with everyone a little bit about your journey, and maybe we can go deeper into your strategy as well. Let me share my screen here. All right, there we go. Okay, so this is your funded account. Let's start with your evaluation account. So this is your first account, your step one account. Pretty quickly, you made it. You don't have any large drawdown or something. You only in 15 trades, you made it to the target. You have a nice win rate, a nice risk reward ratio, and pretty smooth progress towards the target. So this is a good opportunity for you to share with us a little bit of what you do in the markets. What's your strategy behind, or what you look for? So share us a little bit of that.
Right. So the main time frame that I'm using right now is 4 hours, 1 hour, and 15 minutes for a more precise entry. And the main strategy I use is actually the engulfing strategy.
Okay.
So I will enter with a good risk ratio and nearby the engulfing area. Yeah.
Okay. So you look for engulfing candles on the 15-minute chart, and you try to join the reversal or something.
The main confirmation candle is actually from the higher time frame, which is
Okay.
the 4 hour engulfing candle. Yeah. With that, I'll be more confident because technically I'm trading with logic instead of my emotion. Therefore, I'm more confident to hold for a longer trade. It's like I won't close for just a little profit, and also won't close when the loss getting higher. I just stick to my take profit and cut loss.
Okay. Cool. So I think it's pretty clear what you look for, and you made it look pretty easy. You made it to the target. Then this is your second account again in only a few trades, and actually managing a good risk on your side. You had in this time a higher win rate than previous one. Without so much drama. You did have a little bit of drawdown. I believe it was maybe one trade that you lost. This little drawdown, did it had any impact on your trading? Did you do anything special just to recover the drawdown, or it just continued trading normally, or what do you do?
Yeah, to be honest, it doesn't affect me a lot for this drawdown. I just like perform like as usual. I think the main reason for this drawdown is that I'm too excited after passing the first phase of challenge, and eventually I just entered the trade immediately without like really did my analysis. Therefore, that's the main reason of why I lost this trade. Yeah. So after that, like I adjust my mindset and also a bit of my strategy so that I enter the market again and eventually I get a better trade with profit.
And then you recover that, and then you get it funded. Now your funded account looks a bit different than your evaluation accounts. We can see there's way more activity, more trades, a little bit more,
Yeah.
curves to the downside, to the upside. Why is that? Why is the difference between the funded account and the evaluations account?
I think the main difference is that the psychology change. because I think I'm kind of trading with the real money is different from trading on a demo account.
Correct.
Therefore, my technology changed a bit. So when there's a profit, so I tend to close it early, like without holding for a longer period. If you ask me, I think the main reason is just the psychology, which is one of the main thing I'm still trying to improve right now. Yeah.
Okay. I mean, you're still in very nice profit, a couple of $1,000. So you're doing pretty good.
Thanks.
And yeah, as you mentioned, once we start managing real capital, the psychology changes. You've been in this position. I mean, you're an experienced trader. You used to be trader with us funded with us in the past. Look, this is a great example of traders that when once they're funded, they don't lose control. They don't start over leveraging. They don't start going crazy with the accounts, and I think this is a reflect of the result of that good management of the account and keeping keeping an eye on risk, having everything under management. So well done with that. Is there anything else you would like to share regarding your strategy or maybe your approachment to the markets?
My strategy is quite simple. It's just the engulfing candle pattern at a higher time frame.
Which is funny because it is very simple, right? It's just a matter of executing right and following the system and not trying to overcomplicate things. So very happy to hear that.
I think the main advice that I can give is just same goes to myself. The advice to myself is like to keep a really good mindset and psychology which is just trade patiently, slowly and steadily. That is the fastest way. So do not over leveraging your capital, yeah, or else your psychology might just be affected. Yeah, that's all I would like to share. Thanks.
Amazing. Overall, how your experience with the 5ers, how has it been?
I think it was very, very good. First of all, I like to thanks for all of the customer service I have encountered. The support that I receive is really great, and the attitude that treat us is like really good, very friendly, and also the payout has no issue for me as well. I get my payout very nice. Yeah, it just I received my payout on the day I submitted the request, which is really
Nice.
efficient. Yeah.
It is.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah.
It's really
Nice.
often
Nice to hear.
yeah.
Amazing. So thank you very much for the time and for taking the call and the interview and to sharing your experience with the audience. And hopefully we'll be able to do an follow-up interview in a couple of weeks or months once you reach a higher level of funding.
All right, sure. Thanks a lot. Thanks for a lot of your time as well.
Okay, wish you the best, and we'll be in contact.
Okay, thank you. See you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, so thank you very much for watching the video. Now make sure you like and subscribe, and most of all go into the YouTube and check our other content that we provide here at The 5ers. We'll see you in the next one.